Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2009 Toyota Highlander Hybrid Limited. So this one, it's an auction car. It's got 180,000 miles on it. And I'm gonna keep the window down just because it smells not very nice in here. I mean, we cleaned it up really well, but it still doesn't smell very good. But overall, not in bad shape. Obviously runs and drives. Just got, you know, a little duct tape will take care of that. A little bit of rust, but it's come to be expected. This thing's actually got paint protection film on it, which back in the day, this was an expensive car. Not so anymore. Does have a little bit of an exhaust leak to it, but not too bad. Navigation, backup camera, rear entertainment. Let's see. A little bit of an exhaust leak, not too bad. Let's see. No, battery's not charged enough. You know, it was actually first time I drove this thing, I was pretty impressed at the power that it has. This is a V6, I believe. $186 on the miles. But she runs and drives. Obviously we're missing some volume, tuning, power knobs, stuff like that. But again, it's a 186,000 mile car. We're gonna be selling this at auction tomorrow. Well, if you're watching this, auction's already happened. But curious to see what this thing brings. I obviously know what we have into it, what we're in it for, but very curious to see what this thing brings, because it could either bring the moon or it could just absolutely flop. And it's the last auction day of the month, so it's always kind of a hit or miss, because all the big wigs at dealerships are at the store trying to make money for the last day of the month, which, if you guys don't think that's true, it's 100% true. Last day of the month is 100% a thing. Buy your car on the last day of the month, you'll get a stupid deal. This thing has a good amount of power. I'm impressed. stick to everything but the carpet. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.